Hey Duncan, how are you? Leo here from Morona Marketing. I spoke with Carolyn today on the phone. She was so awesome. You got the perfect person on the phone. I was talking to her about shooting over this quick video with tips and tricks that you can do in-house to help bring in more business using your website and your Google business profile. I'd love to hear feedback from you, and I hope these strategies are helpful and educational. So as you can see here, I've got your website pulled up. Love your logo. I love the colors. Everything here is just so inviting and warm. A lot of statistics was done on what clients love to see on websites and what makes it warm, inviting, and ready to spend. And it's bright, light colors like this. And just looking at this website just gives you a happy feeling. So kudos on this website. One of my biggest suggestions would be to add some more content. Google loves content. They want to see about 1,500 to 2,000 words on your home page. And throughout that content, you want to add buyer intent keywords that you want to be found for in Google searches, where you're located, and what services you offer. Another good thing to do is save photos and video as keywords, because that is considered content as well. So if we go in here to save this image, it'll show me what the name of it is, and it's got all this mumbo jumbo here. A missed opportunity, it needs to be bathroom remodeling, Lexington, Kentucky, roof replacement, Lexington, Kentucky, some kind of keyword that you're going to get credit for that's embedded behind that photo. I love your click to call up here. The majority of people that's searching online are using their cell phone, and they can click right in here and call, get an estimate, and then get to your social media here as well. So that's an awesome job. I put your website in a tool I use called Ahrefs, and it's going to give me your analytics and where you're setting. Now, this is your UR and this is your DR. This is the strength and trust of your website that your website has with Google. And this is on a scale of 100, and you want to keep those pretty close to being balanced and moving up continuously. Now, you have 617 backlinks and 100 referring domains, so implementing these tips will help boost these numbers. If you're unfamiliar with a backlink is simply a website linking to another website via clickable button or text. But not all backlinks are created equal. There are some that are spammy and some that are more authoritative. So you really want to go after the backlinks that's more authoritative and relevant to your industry and local to you. As of right now, you got 327 keywords, and that's pulling in about 199 visitors to your site each month. And it's starting to be more like a lead generation tool that will give you a higher ROI as opposed to just a digital business card with zero traffic. Now, if you look at some of your keywords down here that you guys are indexing for, basement remodel, Lexington, Kentucky is a good buyer intent keyword with a volume of 90 and a KD of 0. You really want to go after buyer intent keywords that people are Googling, because that's how they're going to look for your services. So you want to make sure that all the keywords that you're using, you're actually utilizing the space on your website. Bathroom remodeling, Lexington, Kentucky is a 300 search volume, awesome find with 0 KD. Now, what I've done is put in Lexington, Kentucky roofers. That's buyer intent keyword. That is location and that is service. Now, up here at the top, you normally see local ads or Google ads, and that's not a bad way to get quick business. But once you're done paying, you're off that page and you're gone. That's the importance of being able to rank organically. Now, if we move down here to the map pack, it usually always shows 3, and this is where you want to be. Unfortunately, you're not here right now, but that's okay, because there's several ways to get there. You want to make sure that you are constantly adding reviews. Make sure that your business name, address, and phone number are the exact same across the internet. You do not want to mislead Google. There's a 750 character about us section at the bottom that you want to fill out, and don't forget to add keywords in that as well. Posting branded, geotagged, and geolocated photos like I showed you earlier. Doing that weekly helps you rank organically. And again, if you're ranking organically, no one's going to pull you from that page. Adding citations, which is your business name, address, and phone number, in directories like Yellow Pages, Yelp, Yext, White Pages, things like that, because honestly, at the end of the day, Google is just a big popularity contest. And by giving out your information to as many directories as possible, it'll make Google start to trust you more and that will boost your business, not only in your area, but that'll trickle out into the surrounding areas as well. Being on the Google Map Pack gives you about 30 to 40% of traffic that goes straight to your website, and that gives you a call right from there. Now, if we go down here to the organics, your top competitor, number one, is Lexington Blue. Now, if we go to their website and check out what they got, you can see that they don't have a lot of content on here either. Like, very minimal content. You have way more content than them. So implementing and having more content on your site than theirs, you can outrank them while adding backlinks and such too. Now what I've done is I pulled up keywords for your area for roofing, and there is massive volume here. There's a very decent amount of volume. Once you start ranking, a percentage of that total is going to go to your website, and a percentage of that's going to give you a call. Depending on you guys' close rate, turn them into a customer. I wanted to show you this right here. Roofing Companies, Lexington, Kentucky is an awesome buyer intent keyword. It's easy to rank for, and look at the volume it's bringing. Roofing Contractors, Lexington, Kentucky, easy keyword, 350. Roofers, Lexington, Kentucky, 300. Roofing, Lexington, Kentucky, two completely different buyer intent keyword phrases. Looks the same, just one's roofers, one's roofing. 600 between the two. Roofing Repair, Lexington, Kentucky. There's about 2,000 in these 6 words here. Just adding these 6 words strategically throughout your content is really going to boost that traffic to your site. That's just 2,000 search volume a month. And again, being on that first page, you're going to get a big portion of that. So I definitely hope this video helped today, Duncan. I hope it was helpful. I'd love any kind of feedback. I'd really appreciate that. If you have any questions, comments, or concern, feel free to reach out. I can be that resource for you if need be. Hope you have a great day. Carolyn, you was awesome.